In this video, I'm going to show you technically why I believe Bitcoin from this very point is going to move all the way to $100,000 at this very point in the next coming days and weeks. And also for Ethereum, market is going to move significantly from this very point of important resistance. If you are looking to investing in Notcoin, the best time to invest is right now at this very point of important support. And Notcoin is also going to have a significant or dramatic move all the way to the upside as well. All of this in this video, so watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. BTC USDT 1 week chart. If you look at what has happened in the past, it is covered that the market moved all the way from here to this very point. So market moved from this very area of support to this very point of resistance, and then we begin to see the market begin to move downward. So this was a retracement of this very impulsive move. Then after retracement, the next thing after every retracement is impulse. So what we are expecting right now is the next impulsive move to come into the market, and we can only confirm that impulsive move to happen when we see a breakout of this very level of resistance. So once this resistance breaks out, then market is going to move all the way upward. So expect that very breakout to happen between this $70,000 and this very point of $73,000 right here. So once you see that breakout right at this point, market is going to move all the way to $100,000 for BTC. Now, if you take a look at this on the 1-day chart or 4-hour, you're not going to see that dramatic move all the way to the upside, but you're going to see the market move up, retrace, move up, retrace, and approach this very $100,000 on the lower time frame. But on the 1 week chart, we're going to see that increase significantly straight to $100,000 in the next coming weeks. And this is what I am expecting right now. So keep your eye on this, guys. And the next thing that further buttress this $100K after this breakout is if you use the Fibonacci extension too. So if you use trend-based Fib extension, and you draw from this very point where the market make a significant impulsive move from to this very point where the move stopped, and then back to the point where the move started, it is covered at the point where the market is approaching is this very point of $100,000. So that should be your first target. From the Fibonacci extension to from this very point, market is going to from here break this very area and move straight to $100,000, and this is the first profit target point according to the Fib extension 2 right here. And that is why I'm expecting this move to move all the way from here to $100,000 in the next coming weeks, and that is what we need to prepare for right now, because that move is going to come very, very soon. And the next thing to further buttress this as well is if you look at the Stochastic RSI indicator, look at it here. From this very point, market is out of the oversold condition at this very point, crossing the 20% line, and there is a dilation between the blue line and the orange line right now, moving away from each other and then about to cross the 50% line. This signified that there is a lot of buy momentum right now in the market, and that the market is going to from here move all the way to the upside. And that is what you need to pay attention to right now if you are in this market and you want to invest hard on other altcoins. Because when Bitcoin begin to move like this all the way to $100,000, what will happen to other altcoins is that they will begin to move sporadically as well all the way to the upside. So this is very important right now for all of us as traders. So keep your eye on the 1 week chart. Market is about to make a significant breakout all the way to the upside. And on the 1-day chart, which is very important on the short term, look at this. This resistance must break for market to continue this movement all the way to the upside. Look at it here. from this very area, we have a very strong resistance at this very point. So that is the very point where the market is right now. And this very point of 66 and $67,000 have to break. Once we see that breakout on the 1-day chart at this very point right here, then the market is going to begin to move upward. And if you look at the stochastic RSI, a very sharp move between this out of the oversold condition, indicating that the market have capacity of moving to this very overbought condition. So therefore, market is going to move from here after this breakout all the way upward on the 1-day chart. And this is what you need to keep your eye on right now. If you are trading BTC on futures, a long position will be the best thing to do. The next move for ETH on the 1-week chart is going to land us at this very point of $4,000 per Ethereum, this very area of significant resistance. So market is going to move from here and approach this very point of $4,000 per Ethereum. And that is what I am looking at right now. Look at this very point. We have the Fibonacci retracement tool. Market move from here up to this very point, and we have about 61% retracement and below. Okay, and this is very point is the last retracement in the market. Market is going to move from here upward according to this retracement tool right now. And not only that, if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, discover that market is just coming out of oversold condition. Look at it here. Out of oversold condition, market is going to move upward, and that is what I am expecting right now on this very chart. So market have high momentum right now from here all the way to the upside. So if you're watching this video right now, keep your eye on this very level of support, because market is going to move from here all the way to this very point of $4,000 per Ethereum in the next coming weeks. And this is what I am expecting. So the best time for you to buy altcoins is right now when Ethereum have not started moving, because once we begin to see a significant move in the price of Ethereum, every other altcoins is going to begin to move with it all the way to the upside. And that is what you need to keep your eye on as well. And then on the Ethereum 1-day chart, we have support right here. We have support at this very point, support at this very area, and then support all the way from this area. So all this base support is going to make the market to move upward in the next coming days. And that is what I am expecting right now. And for that very move to happen, we must have to break this resistance as well. So the only barrier that is resisting the market from moving upward is this level of resistance that you are seeing right at this very point. Once this resistance break, the next area you should expect the market to move up to is this very point of $3,500, because this is the next significant resistance that we have. Why? Because market retrace from here and then crash back down. So this resistance is the next key resistance that we have on the chart, which is the 1-day chart ETH USDT. So after this breakout right at this point, expect the market to move up to $3,500 per Ethereum in the next coming days. And that is what you need to keep your eye on as well. If you want to buy altcoin, like I said earlier, the best time to buy is right now when Ethereum is still very cheap, because once we see a move on ETH, every other altcoins is going to move sporadically to the upside. And lastly, the best time to buy Notcoin, that means if you are considering Notcoin for investment, right now is the best time. Why? Because market have retraced significantly all the way to the downside. From this very point, market move up to this very area. So from support here, resistance, market come all the way downward, create a significant level of support, and right now market is going to move all the way to the upside. Not only that, if you look at the 1-week chart, which will make us to see a broader look of this very chart. So if you use the Fibonacci retracement tool, then from this very point to this very area, it is discovered that the markets have retraced significantly, okay, even below the 0.618 right at this very point. What I am expecting right now is for the market to move from here upward significantly, which means if you buy here right now, you are buying at a very lower price for the market to move upward so that you can make a significant gain when the market begins to move from this very point all the way to the upside. And that is what you need to pay attention to. Now, not only that, if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, the market on the stochastic RSI, remember I am on the 1 week chart. So market just start forming right at this very point and is coming out of oversold condition. What that means is there is a high buy capacity from this very point and to the upside. So the best time to buy Notcoin if you are considering buying Notcoin in the next coming days. So on the 1 day chart, market is still going to move from this very point to the upside. And if you look at this very point right here, market is still going to move on the stochastic RSI indicator, indicating that the market is going to move upward, crossing the 50% line on the stochastic RSI indicator right at this very point. Market is going to enter into the overbought condition very, very soon. But before that will happen, market is going to move significantly from here all the way to the upside on Notcoin. So the best time to buy Notcoin is right now if you are considering investing in Notcoin in the next coming days. And this is very important, guys. Please pay attention and keep your eye on Bitcoin, because once we see that breakout on this very point, market is going to hit $100,000 in the next coming weeks. And also for ETH, once market begin to move significantly, every other altcoin is going to move aggressively with it. And this is all technical base. I am not talking about fundamental analysis in this very video. So if you want to see more technical analysis like this, I will leave a link in the description. Join our Telegram group. It is absolutely free, and that will be the first link in the description of this very video. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for watching.